Hey everyone, welcome back to 5 Day Crypto. Happy, what the hell day is it? We've had some days off. We're long 4th of July weekend. I think it's Tuesday. Somebody let me know if it's Tuesday. Had a long, great weekend. Had some birthdays, had some fireworks. Not my birthday, family birthdays. A lot of partying the past few days. So hopefully your days have been going as well as mine. Let me know what you guys did for the 4th of July. Did you do anything crazy? Everybody still got 10 fingers? No accidents on my end, but we had some close calls. Let's get right to it. Chainlink USD. Hey, hit the like button right now if you haven't hit the like button already. The rock stars have already hit it. You could still be the drummer maybe. Hit the like button quick, and you could. Otherwise, you're getting demoted to flute or violinist or something. Those people are still cool. Don't get me wrong. Link daily. We're looking at moving averages. This, if you're new, this is our 21 EMA. EMA just means exponential moving average. This is our 50 EMA. This is our 100 EMA and 200. Now, what if I say 200? What do these numbers mean? It's just your days. So if you switch over to weekly, that'd be your week moving averages. 21 week, 50 week, right? Got it? Follow along? Good. So right now, first and foremost, we need Chainlink to close above our 21-day EMA, which is right at $20 right now. We need 2 consecutive daily closes above that. We haven't had that since our drop. We got, watch this. We had one candle right here on June 3rd. He did close above it. It was the little candle that could. And then the bears came out and killed him. Killed his whole family, and the bears took back over. We haven't had 2 closing candles above this. If we do get 2 closing candles, that would be a good sign that we could be turning the Titanic around without continuing down without Jack. Chainlink will never let go. Rose did. Going out to the weekly, 100-week moving average right here. We wicked to it twice in our pandemic drop, March of 2020. Look where we hit now. $15. Now, back then, $1.50. Now we're 10x higher. Maybe the next time we hit this in a few years, maybe we'll be 10x higher again. What number is that? If you can't do math, 10x times 15 is 150. If you got a different answer, you got to go read some books or something. You got to go back to school a little bit. If you got a different answer than 150, you need some more help. Stop watching this video. Go find something else. Let's go back to the daily chart. I forgot I wanted to tell you one more thing. Look at our 21-day moving average, right? We're under this right now. When is the last times we were under this? Well, look at these times. Zooming out on a bigger scale. Has it ever been a terrible time to be buying when you're way under this 21-day moving average? Historically, no. Oftentimes, that has been the best times to be buying when you're way down here, right? Look at these times, these prices when you're under this yellow moving average. Going all the way back. We can keep going. I just want you to look at this right now. Look at where we are. Well under the 21-day. Well, right now we're right at it, right? But look at where the prices have been. Well under the 21-day EMA. Anytime historically, it hasn't lasted that long. And in fact, that has been the best times to be buying in Chainlink's history. Under the 21-day. Look at that. When you're well under it. Even way down here. This is pretty far under. 20%, over 20% under. Look at this one, back in here. 25% under. I know you couldn't see it. Down here, I mean, this is catastrophically under it, right? 60%. Let's see how low we got now. 2 hours later. Okay. This one, almost 60% again. Right now, we're right at it. 0%. We're right on the line. But for all those waiting for lower prices, you might be waiting a while. All right? From our peak down, we dropped over 70%. For those of you who are waiting on lower prices, I ask you, why? It's 72% off. If you've been wanting a jacket and Sears, they don't have to sell jackets. Your favorite department store. If you've been wanting a jacket or just go with me here. whatever you were looking to buy, a shirt, a nice blue silk shirt. If this shirt was 72% off and I've been looking for months, am I going to wait till it's 75% off? No, you buy the shirt now. Go to Sears and buy your jacket. Go to Link and buy the Link. It was down. Look, okay, how far down? Well, Chase, it's not down 70% anymore. Okay, it's still 62% off. You wouldn't take a blue silk shirt for 62% off? What kind of psycho are you? We got the Chainlink blue. There's like little hexagons on here. I mean, might as well just like scribble a link on here for my next video. I'll just get like embroidered link right here. Maybe I'll do that. We're off track again, as we do. But my point is, I encourage you, if you're not financial advice, nothing gives financial advice. For me, I think you're becoming sillier and it's getting riskier to not be buying Chainlink unless you're just already fully loaded. A lot of people that follow me probably just got their whole Link boat already loaded, and you just gotta wait. I think the end is near for the lowest. All this messing around stuff. We're back above 20 as we speak. $20, 20 Chainlink. Let's get it going. My point is, Link generally just goes up. Look at the past 3 years. Up. What direction is that going? It's up. Ding, ding, ding. When is the best time to be buying? Under the 21-day EMA. Look at all historically. Amazing. That's where we are now. Once you start seeing these moving averages flip back the other way, like this, and you get your small ones on top, and you sort them out and get spaces, this is when Link is going to explode. Once these start moving out, and you see this area, like right here, and your yellow is on top, and then your green, then your blue, then your red, that's when the explosions will start to happen. And that, whether it be a month or 2 months or 3 months, who cares? You should be in crypto for the long term, not for the next 4 days, not for the next 4 months even. If you're investing in crypto, you need to have at least a 12-month mindset. I prefer 3 years. 3-year mindset. If you're putting $1 into crypto, you should be able to kiss that goodbye for at least 3 years. That's the mindset you need. Not to think about, let's see if I can triple this in the next 30 days. You're going to lose the majority of the time. The lower the time frame, the 15-minute charts, the day traders, that's extremely difficult to do. I would only recommend that if you've been successfully making profits for years, not before that. Most people do the opposite. They try to start off with day trading and then lose all their money and then wonder why. It's because you don't have the experience on the foundation. You have to know what 2 plus 2 is before you can do 2 squared, right? Nobody teaches 2 squared before 2 plus 2, do they? If they do, I got to meet that person. It's a little backwards. All right, let's look at the 5-day Gaussian Channel Link update, and let's see let's turn all these craps off, because you can't get confused. There's a lot going on if we do that. 5-day Gaussian Channel. If you're new to this, you don't know what this is. We made several videos the past few weeks on this. You can go back and check that out. But basically, we want to be holding these lines. This is our top line, bottom, median line, and lower line. Right now, it's not great. All right, flat. Cornflakes for breakfast. Cornflakes are good. How about lima beans for breakfast? Sometimes they're good for us, but I don't know where I'm going with this. Basically, I'm saying I'm not going to sugarcoat it, right? No sugarcoating here. I give it to you straight. Lima beans for breakfast and all. We're closing multiple candles under this median line. Now, it's likely based on historically, just on any coin, if you're closing several candles under your moving average, like we just talked about, you're likely going to visit the bottom one sooner or later. Now, that doesn't mean we're going there tomorrow or this week or even this month. We might not do it until August, September, when prices are even higher than this, right? We might not ever do it. This could be the first time. But Link, usually, if it breaks that, which right here, we haven't broken this ever with multiple candles, right? Until we did, way back in here. This is the last time we held 1 candle close, 2 candle close. That's a confirmation that you're probably going to go test this. Does this happen? We go just basically bleed all the way down? We don't know. We don't have crystal balls. We don't have fortune tellers. But historically, that's what usually happens. It doesn't mean it goes straight to it, right? We could hug this line. There's a lot of coins that just follow right along this line for a prolonged period of time. If that happens, great. And then we test it maybe in the future. But I'm super bullish on Chainlink long term. If we turn red, we want to wait for it to turn back green, get price action above it, and then you know you're good to go. That's with any coin. You can use the Gaussian channel on any coin. Now, Link is a little bit younger, so it really helps to use it on longer lasting things like Bitcoin and Ethereum are great to use this on. Chainlink, even though it's been around a few years, that's really still not enough data, so maybe this is kind of more of a just a newer thing, right? So it doesn't have to play out. If Bitcoin was doing this, yeah, this would be pretty solid concrete evidence that we're probably going to be testing this line. Does that happen with Link? It remains to be seen. Let's go look at Link Bitcoin and see what we're doing here. Same thing. We've already turned red here. Once we start moving up against Bitcoin and you see price action up here and we flip back to green, that's when we're going to make exponential moves against Bitcoin, in my opinion, based on the facts. Let's go back and look. You can go back and look at Bitcoin. Every time it's done this, it's exploded. Every time almost any coin has done this, it's exploded. Red channel, see the red channel, turn back to green, price action on top, and you have explosive moves. So even though we came back in it briefly, again, macro trend up. Look at what it did after it turned back green, price action on top. You could buy basically anywhere. Even if you bought up here and price action came back down for a few weeks, you're still good to go, right? So that's what I would expect again. Under the Gaussian channel, buying opportunity of a lifetime, in my opinion. That's my story, and I'm sticking to it. You can look back on any chart, any coin in history. Prices under the Gaussian channel are your best buying opportunities ever. Even if you're at the low part, go back and look anywhere. It's amazing. We're low right now, right? So even if you have some Bitcoin, you want to throw some of it to Link, that's kind of a good time still right now. If you want to wait and be more certain and, almost zero risk, the least amount of risk, right? Wait till price action gets up here, the channel turns back green, then push your chips in. All in. That's just what I would do. I'm not advising you to do that, of course. Chainlink, Ethereum. Hello. Under the Gaussian channel, well under the Gaussian channel. And it's at these times where you can make a massive amount of money. It's the times when nobody wants it, when everything's the lowest. When nobody wants it, it's at the great price. When everybody wants it, it's at the ridiculous price. You don't want to be buying coins when you're at the top. If you've done that before, it's okay. We've all done that, right? You have to learn from your mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes. Professional traders that are billionaires make mistakes, okay? Warren Buffett still makes mistakes. He even says it. You have to learn and sharpen your blade each time. That's how you do it. Repetitive mistakes. If you don't make mistakes, you're not taking risks. If you're not taking risks, your life's probably pretty average. Most of you watching right now are obviously taking risks because you know about crypto. There's a lot of people I know that wouldn't even touch crypto. It's too risky. It's too volatile. Good. Fine. I'll wave to you in my Lambo on your way to work when I'm going to the ocean. Okay? No problem. So big picture mindset, multiple years, trying to help you here. Let's take this off. This is a long video again, 13 minutes, but we haven't made one in a while. So buckle in. We're going to put our moving averages back on. No, we don't need Bollinger Bands. That's a different day. But again, let's put on the daily. Price action. This is Link ETH still. Link Ethereum. Price action again under that 21 day. Remember, historically, it's been a great time to be buying anytime price action is under your 20 day, right? Let's get a tool out here so you can see it, because I know it's going to be small. The chart. Oh man. We're going to get the crayons out again. Look right here. There's under the 21 day. Look at all these prices under the 21 day. If you would have bought any of these, I mean, you're golden right now. Look at these prices. Fantastic. Under the 21 day. Under the 21 day. Especially when you're in reverse order. You see this? Your big ones are on the top. That, I mean, this is the last time that happened, right? When they were in reverse order, red, blue, green, yellow fella. When they're in the reverse order and your price action's on the bottom, this right here is the last time that happened. And look what came next, right? Look where we are. We don't know where the end is, but I have a super hunch that in a year's time, we're going to look back right in this area and we're going to say, that was the time. This right here will be the modern day, this right here. This is coming. Link Ethereum, this move is coming next. We don't know when, but I'll bet you it's coming. And if you want to take my bets, I'll bet you. I don't know. A lot of betting going on. It might be illegal in 47 states. I don't know. Link Bitcoin. Hopefully there's somebody still watching. Otherwise, I'm just talking to myself, which is fine. Link Bitcoin's macro trending up its whole life. Look at this. Show me any other chart that looks that pretty. Not many. But again, price action under the 21 day. Price action under the 21 day. Under 21 day. Under 21 day. If you're to buy anywhere under the 21 day. And now, look, again, we're in reverse order again. Look at this prices. Look at this prices. English. Grammar. My whole point of all this video is that we are at the lower levels. If we're at the lowest, who cares? You can make money in crypto by buying at low levels, not the lowest level. No, trying to time the tops and the bottoms is the fastest way to lose all your money. You need to buy when prices are low and just hold for 1 to 3 years and you're going to be a rock star. That's what I've done for years. That's paid off dividends. I learned it back in 2018 bear market. I suggest you sharpen your toolkit now, whether you follow me or follow somebody else. Listen to somebody that's got money and been successful in crypto and follow them. This is the time to do it, not when prices are going catastrophically up. That's not the time to be buying or learning. That's when you need to be taking profits and banking them and holding them in stable coins, gaining interest for when you have drops. Then you can reinvest and then you can double your stacks. That's how you kill it. And that's how you don't have to go to work every day. I know a lot of you, some of you are probably watching this right now at your job, in your car, or on your lunch break, or whatever, and you don't like your job. I've been there, right? I worked for jobs I hated for years. There's potential in crypto now. You still have time that you can change your life forever. Patience will win. I'll leave you with that. Give me a thumbs up, damn it. And subscribe to the channel if you haven't. If you're new and you watched this whole damn video and you're not subscribed, I want to know that you subscribed today. Let me know the new subscribers. It's slowly trending up. We're almost 6,000. Can we get there this week? We'll see. I guess that's on me, really. Make videos, Chase, and we'll subscribe. I'll leave you with that. Thanks so much. And car of the day, damn it, I forgot again. I'm working on a new Lego. I got a Lego treehouse. I mean, who's heard of that? I got a Lego treehouse I'm working on. It's taking a lot of time. It's like 4,000 pieces. But we're working on that. My family, my son and my daughter, and my wife every now and then. She mostly just cleans the house. She's awesome. Rockstar. 47 gold stars to her and 46 to you. I can't give you more stars than her. It's can't be done. Paradoxical. All right. 19 minutes in. We kept it under 20 minutes today. So use that extra minute. I don't know. To do something. Smile. Pull down your mirror in your car if you're in your car. Smile at yourself. Be happy. Think of the future. In 12 months from now, you know how these prices are going to be so low. In a year from now, you're going to do so well. Stay patient. Stay thirsty, my friends. I got dry mouth again. I got to go get a drink. I'll see you in the next video. My name's Chase, 5-Day Crypto. Twitter, Telegram, Patreon, all linked below. Appreciate you guys. And I'm out with my blue shirt.